Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about the vendor creation or supplier creation. In number one ERP terms, the supplier means the vendor. So for that, either you can go to the purchase module or accounting module. In both module, the vendor menu is available. So let me go to the purchase, then orders, vendors, or even you can search directly. If you can see the search menu here, just search for vendors, then you can see here accounting vendors and purchase orders vendors. I'll click here, then I can go directly to the vendor menu. So whatever the available vendor you can see inside the list, same like customer, then click on new. Here you can update the code, or system will generate automatically, or you can put your own code, whether it is individual or company, the name of the supplier. I'll put vendor A, then address of the vendor, same like national address for the Saudi, then street, neighborhood, city, country, building number, plot identification number, tax ID, everything can be put. Then Arabic details also here you have to put based on the CR of the vendor. Then logo you can put, then CR number, phone, mobile, email, website. These all are not mandatory, but you can add it. Then you have the option to add, suppose this vendor A, like I will put vendor company A because this is a company. Inside this vendor company A, if you want to add the contact person, maybe this company has a purchase manager or sales manager or other person, then click on add. You can add contact person details or invoice address or delivery address or other addresses. Basically, one company having a different kind of addresses or contact person details, you can add it here. So once it is done, you can just save it, and along with that you have an option here, sales and purchase. Inside that you can add the buyer name, like in our company, who is contacting with or who is communicating with the supplier and who is the responsible person for that. Then you can select the buyer, then payment terms of with the supplier, either it is a credit or cash, whatever the number of days. Then supplier currency, if it is a foreign supplier you have to mention different currency. In local currency you can, like if it is a local supplier you can mention the local currency. So once it is done, you can save these informations. Then you can add more details like payment follow-up related to the vendor, then accounting related thing like bank account details, their payable account, these kind of things. So that is how the vendor creation. Once it is done, you can see the transactions related to the vendor bills and their purchases, their ledger, everything. Okay, thank you.